Hey Tigers, welcome to this week's episode of KTIG9 News. I'm Jeremiah.
And I'm Jaden. Let's begin our show with some school announcements.
We are still dressing up for the 12 Days of Christmas dress-up days. On Monday, make sure to wear your antlers and dress up like a reindeer. And on Tuesday, dress up for Texas Christmas. Check the hallway TVs or listen to the announcements for reminders on what to wear each day.
Next week, we will take our first high school final exams. We will take 2 finals each day, and the last 3 days of school will be half days, which means we leave at 11:25.
If you know you will not be able to make those up on school days, you can make up the exams when we return in January. You cannot take the final exams early.
After finals, we will go on holiday break. There will be no school from December 22nd until January 6th. We hope you take the time to rest, relax, and enjoy the holidays with your loved ones.
Moving on to sports, the freshman boys basketball A team won their division of the KTISD basketball tournament last weekend. Congratulations to them. All 3 teams will play their next regular season game on Friday, December 19th at Oak Ridge.
The girls' team will play tonight at the Woodlands, then will play at home against Oak Ridge next Friday the 19th. Let's go, Tigers!
Boys and girls soccer teams are starting their preseason games today. Let's wish them luck as they start a great season.
The boys' volleyball tryouts will be held in the CHS main gym on Wednesday, January 14th and Thursday, January 15th. Tryouts will be from 4 to 6 p.m. If you have any questions or would like to try out, please contact Coach Collins at the main campus in room 1026.
Up next, we check out what's cooking on the new freshman flavors.
And then we celebrate the day, so stay tuned.
Welcome to Freshman Flavors! Today we will teach you how to make a delicious holiday snack, Little Debbie Christmas tree cake balls.
This would be great for your holiday party or a tasty themed snack while you're watching a Christmas movie.
To start, gather your ingredients and equipment. You will need 1 5-count box of Little Debbie Christmas trees. You can choose which flavor you want to use. You will use the vanilla ones, 2 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, 2 ounces of white chocolate candy melts, red and green colored sanding sugar.
You will also need a baking sheet, wax paper, and a large mixing bowl, a small microwave-safe bowl, and a stand mixer or a hand mixer, a small cookie scoop, a fork.
Once you have all your materials together, you are ready to start. First, prepare a baking sheet with wax papers, and in a large bowl, beat together the crumbled cakes and cream cheese until well mixed.
Next, use a small cookie scoop to portion the cookie dough into 1-inch balls and roll them into smooth balls. Chill and freeze the balls for 10 to 15 minutes prior to decorating them.
Place the white candy melts into a small microwave-safe bowl. Microwave on high for 1 minute, stir the chocolate before returning it into the microwave. Heat it up for 15 seconds, stir the chocolate, then repeat this process until the chocolate is fully melted and smooth.
Once the chocolate is fully melted, use a fork to drop each cake ball into the chocolate and roll it around to coat the entire cake ball. Place the cake ball on the baking sheet and immediately sprinkle with sanded sugar. Place the cookie sheet in the refrigerator for about 1 hour or the freezer for 20 minutes until the cake balls are firm.
Happy holidays and sick 'em, Tigers!
It's time to celebrate the day. Today is Gingerbread House Day, where we celebrate a holiday food that you can also build. Fun fact, gingerbread houses do not taste good. The cookies are as dry as my DMs. Hit me up, girls. Anyways, today is a great day to get into holiday spirit and build a gingerbread house. What if I rough myself up for that? Just make myself look rough.
Can you please be quiet? Thank you. Now it's time to honor our faculty feature where we celebrate an amazing staff member here at CHS9. This week's faculty feature is Mr. Nahila. He was nominated because, quote, he's really inspiring and has a lot of knowledge. Thanks for being awesome, Mr. Nahila.
Here's our current weather forecast for the next 7 days. Today, expect cloudy skies with a high of 73 and a low of 55. This weekend, expect rain on Saturday that will make Sunday very chilly. Next week should be cloudy and cold as we get through finals week and make it to our holiday break.
That's it for this episode of KTIG9. Thanks for watching. I'm Jeremiah.
And I'm Jaden. Happy holidays and
Sick 'em, Tigers! Woo! Ah! Okay, I'm done.
You know, one of life's most asked questions is, why are we here? I think the reason why we're here is simply to fulfill a divine purpose. I think there's something greater than us. And whatever that may be to you, I don't know. But I know it's important. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah. Whatever Christmas you celebrate, happy it. I love all of you.